Hi, it's Steph.
And Logan.
And yesterday, something really great happened for Call Me Ishmael. After working on it for over a year and a half, we received the final version of our book in the mail. Here's a look at the moment we realized what we had in a box.
This feels book weight.
Oh gosh.
No, you do it. Oh my god.
Oh no. Oh my god.
What is it?
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
The cover is so cool.
Congratulations, co-author.
Congratulations, co-author. Are you ready? So that was the moment, and this is our book. It's called the Call Me Ishmael phone book, and it's kind of quirky, but a joyful, interactive guide to life-changing books. It's also the only book that we know of that has an interactive cover, but let's look inside. Good news is, if you are one of the thousands of bibliophiles who have left us an anonymous message about the book that you love over the years, you might be in here. It's full of bookish stories and interviews with independent bookstores, guides to literary places you can visit, and we hope that you'll love it as much as we do. If you want to learn more or get your own copy, go to callmeishmael.com.
But before you go, we have something really awesome to share with you. An award-winning filmmaker named Matthew Palmer, who works with a studio called Little Ugly, made a powerful film about the power of books, and it features many of the voicemails from the Call Me Ishmael phone book. Thank you, Matthew, for volunteering to make this film, and we hope you, bibliophiles around the world, enjoy our book.
Hey there, Ishmael. Hi, Ishmael.
Hi, Ishmael. I am in the middle of a parking lot at 1 a.m.
I saw one of your little rotary phones, and I thought I might leave you a message.
I knew I had to call because last night I was sitting alone quietly weeping after finishing When Breath Becomes Air.
When I was about 10 years old, my father gave me an original copy of The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. And at first I wasn't really too interested, and I kept putting it off until one day the power went out.
A book that really changed my life is registered themed. This made me rethink my entire life. I recently broke up with a boyfriend because I fell in love with a woman.
Early last year, I had a premature baby. Soon after he was born, I decided to read him The Little Prince.
I would come home, my daughter would point to the bookshelf, and I would say, pajama time? My wife's like, enough with the pajama time. No, pajama time. Every night, pajama time, pajama time, pajama time, pajama time, pajama time. All through the day, pajama time. Every time she's going over a nap, pajama time.
His story took me back across 18 years of time, as my mother too took her last straining breath. Her breath became air too.
I grew up with a single mother who was hopelessly addicted to crack. On my 11th birthday, she bought me a copy of Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Like Harry, I knew what it was like to hide in the cupboard, to be abused by the people charged with caring for you.
I had my heart broken for the first time. My cute 8th grader girlfriend dumped me. I thought, well, I'm going to see what this is that happened to me. So I looked up Heartache.
Sadly, when he was 8 months old, he passed away, and I really felt like this book just was him. He was the little prince in this book. He went back home to a star. I know that if I look up at the stars, he's there with me.
So I allowed myself to believe for those years that Harry could be rescued, so could I. And the both who lived.
I have places to go. I have mountains to move. I have brains in my head, and I have feet in my shoes. I can go any which way I choose.